Hey guys, welcome to Roshni's Creative Corner. To watch my another videos, please make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Hi friends, this is Roshni here. So, when I was scrolling in YouTube, I got a lot of information about planner and bullet journal in the year end. Then I was totally confused on these two. Up to my knowledge, I understood planners are ready-made ones and a lot of things to be planned, but bullet journals are customizable planners. So today I am going to show how I planned for June month, which is a habit which I am following since last month. This is an old diary which I reused as a bullet journal and decorated it by doing mandala designs. And this is how I planned for May month. So here I made a calendar. I listed out the movies which I watched on May month, the songs which I love to listen, trackers, the daily task logs. So let's get started with this month's spread. This is the main spread for June. Here is it. Set a theme for every month's spreads. This month's theme is pineapple and sunflowers. Actually, I don't had any idea but thought of using yellow and green. According to that, I thought of pineapples and sunflowers. Decorate your journal minimal because we are going to plan every day. It is not necessary to decorate it very grand, something like that. Next, write a quote for every month. Now I am leaving it empty. Afterwards, I will fill it up with an inspiring and creative quote. So this is the month calendar, and here on these blocks you can write the task which you prioritize for the day. Set a color for every task. Here I used red for videos that I take and blue for crafts or creative things that I do, pink for me time which I watch videos or movies or listen to some songs, and green for the day I study or read some books, something like that. Make a routine for the things which you delay. Actually, I want to set a routine for every week's video. So I planned Sunday to search about next week's content, and Monday and Tuesday I will be shooting my videos. Wednesday I will edit it and give voiceover, and Saturday I will publish my videos. I think I may have classes, so just leaving this page empty. If I have classes, the routine may change. Next, here I have my mood tracker. For that, I had drawn a flower. Last month, as my theme is summer, I drawn ice cream cones. So here I can't draw 30 petals in this flower. If you can, then you can draw. So here I set up some colors, setting some colors for it. So if I am happy, then the petal will be yellow, and excited it will be orange. If I am sad or tensed, then it will be red, and if I am upset, then it will be in brown. Here I will write this month's favorite movies or songs which I loved. So last month this page was too small, and I made here a long phone like something. Meanwhile, having a cup of green tea with you guys. So this is the monthly to-do list spread. Here is a tip. Make key symbols for anything you want to know easily, you can understand easily. So I made keys like if I tick the blocks, then it will be completed. If I marked it in question mark, then it's pending. If I crossed it, and then it's cancelled. Making a study plan for students like me will definitely help us to find time when we are free. So this year I am going to 11th grade, and for that I am just leaving this page empty. So here is the daily task log where you can list out which you are going to do on that day. Set out blocks as per the page size. Here I blocked 6 cubes here. So the monthly spreads are ready. So only this daily routine and study plan spreads are empty. If you like this type of content, please tell me in the comment section below. And then if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Roshni's Creative Corner. Thank you friends. Have a great day.